To create a team, we have to click the plus button on top of our Trello page and select the option Create a Team. It is mandatory to give a name to your team, while the description is optional. Then click the green Create button. Immediately, you'll open your team page. From here, you can add members, boards, and manage every aspect of your team. For example, you can edit your team profile. Here you can change your team name, invent a short name, link your team to a website page, add a description of your team, or change the logo of your team. When you are happy with the changes, remember to click the Save button to go back to the team profile page. Then you have 3 tabs: Boards, Settings, and Members. Let's start from Members. This is the tab that allows you to add and invite students or colleagues to your team. Remember, to add people to your team, you have to add them using their username, not their email. You find your username in your account profile after the @ sign. Type your students' or colleagues' username in the blank space and Trello will find them for you in the user database. And then just click the Add to Team button. Now we can create our first team board. Switch to the Board tab in your team page. On the new page, you'll find a big Create New Board button. Follow the same procedure that we used before to create a board.